Okay, so today we are going to show you how you can open up Internet Explorer in Windows 11. Now you might be thinking, why would I want to open Internet Explorer? Chrome is much better, so is Edge, so is Firefox, Brave browser's better too. Well, there are still some apps out there, especially like old CCTV systems, that do still require Internet Explorer. Now, I would say don't try using Internet Explorer for your daily browsing for two reasons. One, it's insecure, and secondly, there's a lot of websites that just simply aren't going to work with it nowadays because it's too old. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So first of all, I'm going to show you a very easy way of getting into it. So in Windows 10 or Windows 11, just click on the Start button at the bottom of the screen and just type Control. And then hopefully after a few seconds, you should see Control Panel appear. Click on Control Panel. And then if you've got this screen here, click on Internet Options. If you've got this screen here, then go up to Category, just up there, just to the right of you. Click on Category and select Large Icons. And then you should see Internet Explorer. So I'm just going to go into Internet Options, there. And then I'm going to click on Programs just up there, and then I'm going to click on Manage Add-ons, and then at the bottom of this box here we've got here Learn More About Toolbars and Extensions. So move your mouse over that, left click on that, and there you go. Internet Explorer opens up, and then we can use that. We can go to websites. So if I want to go to Google, let's just type in Google up there. As I say, there's a lot of things that won't work, but this is good if you've absolutely got an old piece of software or hardware that really still requires Internet Explorer. There you go. So another way to do it, if you want to create a shortcut on your desktop to open Internet Explorer, then what you can do is you can go into your browser, say Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Opera, whatever you like, go into your browser and then go to the address bar right at the top of the screen and type in there cwtek.co.uk/W for whiskey, D for Delta, all in lowercase and no spaces. Pause this video if you need to write this down. Once you've typed that in there, press enter or return on your keyboard, and then hopefully if you've typed it in the right place and you've typed it correctly, then you should see this page here. So manage your options or click consent, it's entirely up to you. And then you just want to scroll down, and what you're looking for here is Open Internet Explorer in Windows 10 or 11. Left click once on that, close down any ads that come up, and you should see at the top of the screen this file appear here. Click on the little folder to the right of it, or if you haven't got a little folder, close down your browser, click on any yellow folder and then open the Downloads folder just there, and then you should see at the top of that, there you go, that zip just there. Double left click on that. If this comes up, then select File Explorer and just click just once, and then you should see in there a little file that says IE. Move your mouse over that, click on the right mouse button, then move your mouse over Copy, click on the left mouse button, and then find a space on your desktop, click on the right mouse button again, and if you're using Windows 11 you should have a paste up there, click on that. If you're using Windows 10, then look for the word paste and left click once on that. And there you go. Now you've got that up there, and you can just double click IE and it'll open. It'll open to a blank page. But what if you want to open it to a certain page each time? Well, I'm going to show you. So there's another thing we can download. Let's just go back into Edge or our browser, and I'm going to go back into cwtek.co.uk/WD, just as I did before, and this time I'm going to open Internet Explorer to set a page in Windows 10 or 11. So left click once on that, again close down any adverts that might appear on the screen, and there you go, you'll get another file download with random letters and numbers. So let's just either click on the folder up there to open that, or if that doesn't open, then we want to go to any yellow folder, click on downloads and find that file just there. Double left click on that. And then you should see there, IE Open Site. Okay, again, right click on that, left click copy, find a place on your desktop, right click and then click paste, either that icon there, or if you're running Windows 10, you should see the actual word paste. Okay, and then when we double click on that one there, take the tick out of always ask before opening this file and click open. There you go. That actually opens to my website. Now, I'm not saying you're going to want to go to my website each time, but if you want to adapt that, just right click on that icon just there and then left click edit in Notepad. And this will come up here. And what you want to do is you want to change that https://www.cwtek.co.uk to the website of your choice. Now, it's always worth obviously keeping the https:// and the www. So if I wanted to change that, say to go to Google, or Google, let's just type in Google there .co.uk. So there you go. I've left in the https:// and the www. Typed in Google. Let's close that down and save it. And then double click on open this site. And there you go. It now opens in Google. And you can adapt that to whatever you like. If you want more of these, you can just copy them and paste them on the desktop and then rename them to whatever you want, something obviously that relates to the website that it's pointing to, and away you go. So there you go. That is a quick and easy 3 different ways of opening Internet Explorer in 2025 on Windows 10 or Windows 11 if you really need to. As I say, if you can use another browser, then please do use another browser, as Internet Explorer hasn't been updated for many years, therefore it's no longer safe. And like I say, there are many sites that once did work with it that now don't, because technology has moved on, and quite frankly, it just can't keep up with modern technology. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you can't do that, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great links down there for you to various things, including my Amazon shop, which contains all the things I love at the moment on Amazon: Fire TV sticks, Fire TV cubes, and VPNs. Buying, subscribing and donating really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching to bring you these great videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you do see any videos that you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like to see, then please don't forget to share these videos on your social media timelines. You can check me out on X. I'm at CWTEK. You can also check out my website. It's cwtek.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and speak to you again soon.